Missed its chance to be a masterpiece. In pristine condition, Nintendo's hidden gem. Puzzles like The Legend of Zelda, teamwork like Sweet Home, an action-adventure game. If it had launched earlier, it might have had a sequel on N64. What do you think? Packed with surface-mounted components, late-era chips on board. Chips totally differ from early models. Save data stored on this chip. SRAM, alcohol, IPA, nylon buff. This part touches this GND, connects to the console, gently clean the dirt. IPA, magic solvent, let it blend in.
Oh, give more tea.
Surface-mounted capacitors, using 2 soldering irons, solder wick, new components, solder one side first, remove from the minus side, desoldering pump, then the plus side, new battery, old battery, keep the terminals safe, UV cured zombie liquid, apply to the base, UV light, hardens, rusty screw heads, hot, shiny and clean, magic solvent, anti-rust and lubricant. Apply here too, and on screws, preserving hidden gems for the future.
Perfect body.